Hey guys, D Car Truck here. I had a questions about using a an iPhone to see if the series work on it. But since I didn't have an iPhone, it was kind of hard for me to set that up. So today, fortunately enough, somebody let me use their iPhone so I can test it because I actually was going to buy an iPhone in order to do that. So let's go ahead and give it a test and see if everything works. All right, so I'm just waiting for this to turn on. So this is the iPhone here. It's the newest version of the iPhone. So right now, just on setting, just getting ready to take a look at it to see if it actually connects to the Bluetooth. But what we're looking for is to make sure that the Siri command can actually work without having to touch this. So this is it right here. See, it says Maserati, so just gonna tap on that and connect. All right, it's connecting, so it's gonna take a minute. So I don't know because this system is actually Android, so it should work. It should connect pretty fine. But as far as right now, still waiting. So right now it says pairing unsuccessful. So what I'll do is just gonna go here, phone link. No, let's not do that. Gonna go to Bluetooth. Alright, so Bluetooth is here. Click on that. And we're gonna go to device. So it's searching, so we're just gonna tap on this iPhone here and see if it's connecting. To phone. Alright, so and tap it again. Let's see if it's connecting. I don't know why it takes so long. Alright, so now I'm waiting on the pin. Actually is 40. So right now, so the Maserati is connected on there. So I'm just gonna type 1 2 3 4 zeros and say pair. Alright, so now it says connected, as you can see here, Maserati connected. So now over here you'll see the check mark here that says that it is actually connected. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna exit that, and you see here the Bluetooth sign is there, so it's mean that the phone is still connected. And then here it says it's still connected as well. So what I'm gonna do right now, just gonna go to the home screen. So this is the home screen of the phone. So I'm just gonna say, hey Siri, hey Siri, hey Siri. So I don't know if it is something with this phone, which is why the Siri is not triggering. But let's press this power button real quick. Call the Sume. Call the Sume. Alright, so let's tap it again. Call the Sume. Alright, so it says my apology, I could not hear you. So I don't know why it's doing that. So let's just go back and hit the Bluetooth, make sure that one's on, and try it again. Call the Sume. So Bluetooth, iPhone, Maserati. So I really don't know why it's not finding the microphone or anything. So I guess the next thing to do at this point, so I just gotta dive into the Bluetooth code to find the line where they add the iPhone stuff to see if it asks for permission to use the iPhone we call it the iPhone microphone, because if the permission is not set, there's no way Apple's gonna let this the Maserati Bluetooth system to connect to the iPhone Bluetooth system. But if it was my Android phone, it would work without any issue pretty much. But since it's an iPhone, this is the newest version, it doesn't actually work. um, so pretty much, guys, so what I'll do, I will just pull out the application on there, edit it, and add some permission line to use the we call it, to use the iPhone microphone on there, and then send out the update to everybody so you guys can actually use it, because I just wanted to test it myself, because I know one of my subscriber on YouTube told me that there's no way that the iPhone is recognizing the microphone, and I didn't think that it would do that, but it actually does that. But mine works fine without any problem. Um, so yeah, because none of the permission is set. Because once the Bluetooth is connected, it should pull in all those contact and stuff, right? So just let me press that real quick to see if it can download the contact information. See, it still doesn't do it, because this means that the permission is not are not set for it to work. So I don't need to do anything there. Um, Everything is still good. So it just doesn't work. So I don't know why. So let me tap settings again. It say here the Maserati is still connected there, but it doesn't work. So now the next thing we're gonna try to do, I'm gonna call myself on there. Well, I can't really call myself because I'm using my phone to record right now. Um, but I'll do some further testing after I added the permission for this Bluetooth phone settings in the Maserati to actually connect itself, to give permission to allow it to turn on the microphone in the Siri phone, and things like that. Because what it is just like it's connected, but it's not reading the information. But maybe it's just a few updates, or maybe it's just a permission that were not set. That's probably why it's not working. So definitely, guys, so it's good information. So thank you for those of you who actually try this system and see that it doesn't work, and I really appreciate it. So we'll do our best to make sure that everything works. All right. That's pretty much it, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this one now, which is the Easy Connect. So since we have iPhone, so you're just gonna use the Wi-Fi for the iPhone. All right. So turn on AirPlay. So I don't know how you do that. Okay, so it says illegal authorization. So this will not let. I guess they still have to update this to get the we call it to get the permission from Apple for this software to be able to connect. But once I have my Android phone, it works fine without any problem. It's just the Apple stuff, and they set the regulations a little bit tighter, and it makes it impossible for other users to connect the iPhone with the Maserati touchscreen. But guys, don't worry about it. We will work on that and get it fixed as soon as possible, right? So thank you very much for all of you who has been doing your personal testing and then figuring out things that we haven't find in the system, so with that way we can fix all the bugs. So thank you again. And this video was to check how to use Siri with the Maserati. And so if you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, because in the future, if you do have a Maserati, you will end up buying one of these at some point. So we want to make sure that you subscribe to this channel, so that way we can provide you with the information, updates, and things like that as needed. All right, so thank you again, and we'll fix this issue and send out the update to everyone that currently has a Tesla screen for Maserati. And if you don't, and there will be a link on YouTube for you guys to be able to download that update as well. So thank you again, guys. If you're new to this channel, so don't let me tell you what to do, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell as well, so that way you can get notified when there are new updates and new information about the Tesla screen for Maserati. All right, so thank you very much. You have a good one.